Hey y'all, this is Joe out at St. Bernard Acres, out here with Gail. This is Sunday, the 21st of October. We were off work yesterday, and we drove yesterday morning to Cincinnati to a birthday party. Saw some old friends, spent the night out there, and headed back. On our way back, we stopped by here. We're not going to do any work, but I wanted to check on things. It's cold for one, and last night they had for about 4 or 5 hours like 35-mile-per-hour sustained winds and gusts up around 60 miles per hour. And we're up on top of this hill, and it really blows. So I wanted to see if the cabin got blown down with my construction work, or my temporary tarp for a roof got blown off of it. And as you can see, it didn't. There's parts of it that blew up, but it's still nailed down. So I'm happy. I'm happy that that is still working, because that was some major wind last night. And that was blowing. But yeah, it's still on there, and it's dry inside. Now the one problem we got inside, and maybe you guys can answer this for me, mice. How do we keep them out? We're not here. We're coming in with some Rubbermaid containers that I can seal, and everything's getting put in Rubbermaid containers and up there in the loft area. The sleeping bags, the pillows, the bedding, this stuff, they've been inside those totes. So we have to get this stuff cleaned out. and I've got to get back to work on this part of the project anyway. I thought we would have a fall, and we'd have a little transition period where we get some warmer weather, you know, cooler weather, that it wouldn't go, you know, from the 80, 90 degree heat to 30 degree weather. Wasn't expecting that. But that's what we got. And next weekend I'm hoping to get the, if it stays dry, excuse me, it's supposed to be dry all week. First week without rain, I think, all year. And I'm going to try to rent that brush hog machine. Brush hog a lot of this down around the side and behind the cabin. Down through there. We got to get mowed here. Do one more mowing, because we didn't get a chance with all the rain while it was still growing season. But we'll mow. We'll use that lawn sweeper we got. Clean it all up. Hopefully next weekend. It's supposed to be in the 50s and not raining. Right?
We got some wood burn.
You got some
Cleaning up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but it sustained the winds pretty well.
All this.
I know. Look at all the leaves. Wonder what happened. But see, now I can take that brush hog machine all back through there and clean all this stuff out. Because there's a lot of land back there.
Yeah, we can go all the way back to
that clearing area.
Yeah.
Yeah, get all this cleaned out and
measure out that fence.
Fence it for the girls. They'll have plenty of room. But that brush hog will take all this stuff down. Get rid of the blocks. But yeah, if you got any suggestions on how we can keep the mice out of here, it would sure be appreciated. I don't even know if we can. once I get it, you know, we're going to work on the floor next weekend and try to get the rest of the drywall up. And they might not be able to get in as easily then.
Maybe get some of, we need to get some of that spray insulation or spray stuff.
Foam insulation and fill
Yeah.
in any gaps around windows and stuff. But we got to paint, we bought a paint sprayer. So we got to get out here. Hopefully it won't be a wet spring. I mean, hopefully next spring won't be, you know, raining every friggin' day. And we can come out here, take a week's vacation, and come out here and paint. And if we don't get to, you know what that siding's going to become? Underlayment. I'm just going to buy siding and put over it. Because that's what I said when I bought the stuff. Because, you know, remember we bought it, it was real cheap.
Yeah.
And it's like, if I don't like it when I put it up, that'll be, you know, my
Well, I think it's only going to take
OSB board.
30 minutes to spray paint.
Oh yeah, it's not going to take much to paint
all
it.
of it. Yeah.
But if we don't get a chance to, man. But yeah,
We have to do
hopefully it dries. It's a little bit drier year next year. But it's cold. The girls have been alone. We left yesterday morning. Nick went by last night after work, fed them, let them out for a bit, but then they've been in the house. See any blowdown back there?
Huh? No. Around the trees there's some branches down
Yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of wind. And I'm happy with the way things stood up against it. Like I said, I built the cabin, so I didn't know. I didn't know if it'd still be standing here or rolled over laying on its side. What are you doing, putting fresh food in?
Yeah, because some of it got wet, and so it was all hard.
Oh. You can see how cold it is. Look at Gail bundled up. But not much of an update. Just wanted to check in with you. Let you know we're out here. Everything survived. And hopefully next weekend we'll get to do some work on the place. If we're not working. This is Joe and Gail. We're out.